In this video, I'm going to show you one indicator that you can use in 2025, and this is very powerful, especially if you're a high time frame trader. If you use the 30-minute time frame, for 45-minute, 1 hour, and up to the 4-hour time frame, then and even the 15-minute one, then you can make a very good profits just by using this indicator. But this indicator is not advisable for the lower time frames. Okay, so guys, make sure that you watch this full video, because I'm going to show you that how you can milk from this indicator very well. And the second thing, guys, if you have any problem regarding the brokers, then please find the best broker link that I personally use from 2015. I have given that broker link in the description of this video. Otherwise, you can visit my website fxmentorus.com, and you can just click on get started, and you can register to that broker. And if you want to get the premium access of my indicators, you can check through my website. You can also check my previous videos, and you can also get the access of my private indicators. Okay, now let's talk about that how we can apply these indicators. Okay, so here we will go to the indicator section. Here you need to write a high low. Okay, and here you need to write high low cloud. Okay, so when you write high low cloud, then this indicator will come, that is called high low cloud trend by chart prime. Okay, so you can see the numbers are very huge on that indicator. So basically this is very famous among the traders. Okay, so here what you need to do, just go into the style section and uncheck the labels, and please do not disturb the look back period from 35. So this is completely fine if you're using the higher time frames. Okay, okay, now just use this indicator with the proper common sense. You don't need to use it without the common sense. Okay, so always take the help from the trend lines. So always draw the trend lines while using this indicator. When the market is going up, go for the upper trend line. When it's going down, then make the lower trend line like this. It should be from the upper side from here. Okay, but just for example, I'm telling you, just ignore this one. Okay, so use the proper trend lines. Otherwise, without the trend lines, it will not be easy for you. So for example, okay, just look at this one here. You were in the downward trend. Okay, so you got a buy signal from this indicator. No need to trade that one until unless the market does not break your trend line. Here it has given a break. Now you can see that you can ignore two wrong signals from the indicators. This one, okay, this one here. Oh, sorry, just about this one, and the other one that is here. Okay, so take the help from the trend line if you want to be successful with the help of this indicator. Okay, now just look at this one. The market was completely into the uptrend. Okay, so this was your trend line on that time. Okay, now the market break that one, the second part, that this cloud turned into the brown color, and now you can see the market is down. So let's see any other chart where we have the zigzag momentum. Okay, so for example, here we will draw the trend line like this. Okay, okay, it was the buy signal running on. You can see the market break the trend line, and also you can see the cloud turn into that color. So this is completely fine. Okay, okay, now another example that we will go with, like for example, just look at this one. This is our stop loss scenario. Okay, just look at this. This is very important. You can see the market was bearish, and you got a blue cloud for a buy, and also the market break your trend line. It was fine, but the market hit your stop loss in that case. So the definitely stop loss will get hit. Okay, it's not about just winning all the day. Okay, stop losses are the part. So just use it with the trend and with the help of the trend lines, and you will be very comfortable with your trading. Okay, so guys, this is the free indicator that you can use. Hopefully you like the video, and moreover, if you want to assess my private indicators, check my previous videos that are available on the YouTube channel, and also check the indicators from my website. Thank you very much for watching this video.